Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about square technique for any two-digit numbers. For example, 23 square. Here we take an units place, 3 square. 3 square is 9. Next, 2 3s are. What is 2 3s are? 2 3s are 6. 6 here double. 6 2s are 12. Here carry 1, 2. Next 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore, 23 square equal to 529. Same another example. 89 square. 9 square. 9 square equal to 81. Here 1 and carry 8. Next 8 nines are 72. 72 double. 72 into 2 equal to 144. Here carry 8. 144 plus 8 equal to 152. 2. Next carry 15. 8 square. 8 square equal to 64. 64 plus 15 equal to 79. Therefore, 89 square equal to 7921. Same method, any two-digit number follow. Thank you.